What's the meaning of consummate? Consummate. Consummate.
Consummate. Consummate. The word consummate refers to achieving a high level of skill or proficiency in a particular activity, as well as completing or finalizing something to a state of perfection or completion. The result of consummating something is that it becomes fully realized or accomplished, and any missing elements or imperfections have been addressed. In personal relationships, to consummate a marriage means to have sexual intercourse for the first time. Overall, consummation implies an ultimate attainment of excellence or fulfillment in a given endeavor.